I've been around cars my whole life, from the days when the smell of gasoline and the sound of a revving engine meant freedom, to today's world where the quiet hum of an electric motor is just as exciting. Cars have always been more than just machines to me. They're a part of our culture, our families, and our memories. Whether it was helping my parents fix up an old sedan in the driveway or taking a road trip with friends, cars have shaped the way I see the world. And today's debate, electric versus gasoline, is the biggest shift I've seen in all those years. It's not just a question of what's under the hood anymore, it's about how we move, what we value, and where we're headed as a society. The roads are changing, and so are the cars we drive. Are you team plug or team pump? It's a question that sparks passionate debates at family dinners, in online forums, and even at the local coffee shop. Some folks swear by the tradition and power of gasoline, while others are excited by the promise of cleaner, quieter electric vehicles. It's not just about engines anymore, it's about how we drive, the journeys we take, and the world we leave behind for the next generation. Every mile we travel is a choice, about convenience, cost, and our impact on the environment. For over a century, gas cars ruled the road, muscle cars, family sedans, all powered by that familiar rumble. They've been the backbone of road trips, commutes, and weekend adventures. There's a certain nostalgia in the growl of a V8 or the smell of motor oil that's hard to let go of. But now, electric cars are here, and they're a real choice for real people. They're not just futuristic concepts anymore. They're in our neighborhoods, our driveways, and our daily lives. With every new model, EVs are becoming more practical, more affordable, and more appealing. Why the change? People care more about the planet, and technology is moving fast. Our cars are smarter than ever. Features like regenerative braking, instant torque, and advanced safety systems are changing what we expect from our vehicles. And, with concerns about climate change and air quality, more drivers are thinking about their carbon footprint. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are leading this wave of innovation. They're not just about saving gas, they're about reimagining what a car can be. From sleek city commuters to powerful SUVs, there's an electric option for almost everyone. So, what's right for you? It's not just about color or style, it's about how a car fits into your life, your commute, your weekend plans, your budget, and your values. The choice is more personal than ever. Think about your daily drive, your budget, and what you want from your car. Do you need long range for road trips, or is a quick city commute more your speed? Are you looking to save money on fuel, or do you crave the latest tech features? Do you love the roar of a gas engine, or the silent rush of an electric motor? Maybe you're somewhere in between, curious, but not quite ready to make the leap. We'll break down the pros and cons of both. No fluff, just the facts. From maintenance and running costs to performance and environmental impact, we'll help you make sense of it all. The future of driving is here, and it's time to choose your side. Whether you're loyal to the classics or ready to embrace the new, there's never been a more exciting time to be a car lover. Let's dive in and explore what's next for the road ahead. Let's talk about the environment, one of the most important topics of our time. Our cities, our air, and our health all depend on the choices we make today. And when it comes to transportation, electric cars are leading the charge for a cleaner, greener future. This is where electric cars really shine. Unlike traditional vehicles, they glide through city streets almost silently, without leaving a trail of pollution behind. Gas cars burn fuel and pump out exhaust, filling the air with carbon dioxide and other pollutants. Every time you see a traffic jam, think about all those engines running, releasing harmful gases that contribute to smog, respiratory problems, and global warming. Electric cars, no tailpipe, no emissions while driving. That means cleaner air, especially in crowded cities where every breath counts. Imagine rush hour with only EVs, no more clouds of exhaust, just cleaner air for everyone. It's a vision of the future that's already starting to happen in some cities around the world. It's not just about climate change, it's about healthier neighborhoods. Cleaner air means fewer asthma attacks, healthier kids, and a better quality of life for everyone. Studies show that communities with more electric vehicles have lower rates of respiratory illnesses and hospital visits related to air pollution. Some ask, what about the electricity? It's a fair question. After all, electricity has to come from somewhere. True, power plants can pollute, but the grid is getting cleaner every year. More and more of our electricity comes from renewable sources like wind and solar, which don't produce any emissions at all. Even today, EVs are responsible for fewer emissions than gas cars, even when charged from the average power grid. And as the grid gets greener, so does every electric car on the road. And as more renewables come online, your EV gets greener over time. It's like your car is helping the planet more and more with every passing year. With gas cars, you're stuck burning fossil fuels for life. There's no way to make a gasoline engine cleaner once it's on the road. With EVs, you're part of a system that's improving. Every new wind farm or solar panel makes your drive even cleaner. Buying an electric car is investing in a cleaner future. It's a choice that benefits not just you, but your community and the planet. That's why so many are making the switch. People everywhere are realizing that driving electric is about more than just saving money. It's about making a positive impact. Driving an EV is a direct way to help the planet. Every mile you drive electric is a step toward cleaner air, healthier communities, and a brighter future for everyone. Let's talk money, because when it comes to buying a car, your wallet is front and center. Whether you're shopping for your first vehicle or upgrading to something new, the financial side of things is always a big deal. Cars are a major investment, often the second biggest purchase most people make after a home. So, it's important to look beyond just the sticker price and think about what you'll actually spend over the years. Sure, electric vehicles, or EVs, can cost more upfront than their gas-powered counterparts. That higher price tag can be intimidating, but it's only part of the story. There's a lot more to consider when you're weighing your options. To really understand the savings, you have to look at the total cost of ownership. That means factoring in fuel, maintenance, repairs, and even things like tax incentives or rebates that might be available for EV buyers. One of the biggest advantages, electricity is almost always cheaper than gasoline. Charging your EV at home can feel like paying $1 a gallon or even less, depending on your local rates and whether you charge overnight. Over time, those savings really add up, especially if you have a long commute or love taking road trips. The more you drive, the more you save compared to filling up at the pump. Maintenance is another area where EVs shine. Traditional gas engines have hundreds of moving parts that need regular attention. Oil changes, spark plugs, timing belts, and more. All of that adds up in both time and money. Electric vehicles are much simpler under the hood. With far fewer moving parts, there's no oil to change, no exhaust system to worry about, and fewer things that can break down over time. That means fewer trips to the mechanic and more money staying in your pocket. You'll spend less time waiting for repairs and more time enjoying the drive. Plus, EVs use regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery and makes your brake pads last much longer than in a regular car. That's another hidden way you save. The main things you'll need to replace are the basics: tires, brakes, and windshield wipers, just like any other car. But overall, your maintenance checklist is a lot shorter. When you add up the lower fuel costs, reduced maintenance, and potential tax breaks, that higher sticker price for an EV starts to make a lot more sense. The numbers really do tell the story. Over the years, EV owners can save thousands of dollars compared to driving a gas-powered car. That's money you can put toward vacations, hobbies, or just peace of mind. When you crunch the numbers, the math is definitely on the side of electric vehicles. It's not just about being green, it's about being smart with your money too.